Unlocking the Sprint Inseego MiFi 8000 can be difficult, as it usually requires a special remote software method. In this video, we'll demonstrate that we've successfully unlocked it using our proven remote unlock service. Here's a side-by-side view of the device before it was unlocked. And now, fully unlocked and ready to use with any SIM card from network providers around the world. If you own a Sprint Inseego MiFi 8000 and want to unlock it, visit our website, techunlockhub.com, and select the Remote Unlock option. Place your order and one of our technicians will reach out to assist you. You can also contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram for detailed instructions to unlock your Sprint MiFi 8000.